Hey Jackie, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that's certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, is just to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was in fact helpful for you. But we will go ahead and get started. The three things I'll cover are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content. And I do have your site here. So content is anything that you can see here. That does also include the pictures, and what the pictures are saved as well is considered content. So Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on a homepage, and it looks like you all certainly have that awesome job with the content. That is fantastic. So you just want to make sure that you're adding in those keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services within that content, and that will certainly get you started on your way to ranking on Google. But that's all that I have for you for content. We'll move on to citations. And I just pulled up a quick Google search for cleaning services in your area. And the first thing that you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack. And citations have a lot to do with that section. So a citation is your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And so the first thing you would want to do is go out and see where your competition is being listed, and you would want to grab those listings for your business, but you do not want to stop there. For instance, say that your top competitor has 10 directory listings. You would want to grab those 10, and then you would want to double, triple, even quadruple that for the places that you'll be listed. So, if they have 10, you want to have 20, 30, 40. That way you're completely dominating them in that space, but it will also help you to rank high on the maps here as well. So moving right along to backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath the map pack. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided that they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to your site. But that link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning service companies that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that, number one, that is the industry that you're in, and number two, that you're trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique and powerful to Google because it is relevant to your industry. So, and I did pull up your site in a tool that I use here, and it's showing that you have 11 referring domains, which is giving you 19 backlinks, getting you found for 2 keywords, but it's not showing that it's pushing any traffic to your site. And I pulled up one of your top competitors here too, just to see what they have. So it looks like they have 235 referring domains, which is giving them 1.71 thousand backlinks, getting them found for 1.1 thousand keywords, and that's driving about 547 people to their site per month. And I'm going to see if I can pull up their keywords here. Perfect. So what we're looking for are buyer intent keywords. So that's anything that someone is going to think to actually type into the search bar when they're looking for a cleaning service. And we'll also pay close attention to this volume column. This number represents how many times this phrase is searched monthly. So let's see what they have here. So cleaning services near me, house cleaners near me, house cleaning services. Here's a good one, house cleaning Parkland. So this is a great buyer intent keyword because it lists the service that's being looked for, but also the location. So that would be an excellent thing to use here. House cleaning Plant City, Florida. So it looks like this company is targeting several different areas. And I won't bore you and go through all of these because they do have a ton of keywords, but this kind of gives you an idea of the types of things you would want to integrate into your content, and that is definitely going to help you get found. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. And as I mentioned before, you don't ever want to stop there. Whatever your competition has, you want to blow them out of the water and continually add on to that. That is going to get you on that first page of Google, but it's also going to make it to where your competition has a very difficult time even keeping up with you at that point. So that's really all that I have for you today, Jackie. I hope that this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please do reach out to us. We would love to talk to you about that. But again, thanks for your time and you have a great weekend.